In this example, we are going to find the determinant of this matrix, which includes cofactor of matrix A plus transpose of matrix B. Cofactor of a 2 by 2 matrix is where we switch the main diagonal elements without changing their signs, and then switch the opposite diagonal elements and changing their signs. So the cofactor of matrix A will be switching entries 3 and 4, and then switching -1 and 2 and changing their sign. Next, we are going to find the transpose of the matrix B. As you can see here, the transpose of the matrix B is where all the columns of the matrix B become rows in the transpose matrix. The next step is to add the cofactor of A to the transpose of B. This is a simple addition because both matrices are 2 by 2, so dimensions are the same. Therefore, we just add corresponding entries. 4 plus 1, -2 plus -1, 1 plus 0, 3 plus 6. And finally, the determinant of this matrix will be multiplying main diagonal elements 5 times 9, and then subtracting it from the opposite diagonal elements, -3 times 1, which it results 48. I will be making more videos on this topic, which I will put the links under the video description.